You can source both ready-to-ship and customizable products on Alibaba.com. Ready-to-ship products can be ordered directly, usually with fixed prices, shipping fees, and fast dispatch times. On the product page, tap Start Order to select the quantity or other product variables. Then proceed to the checkout page to add your shipping address, select a shipping method, and payment method. Alibaba.com supports over 20 secure payment methods, from credit to debit cards, to digital payment services and wire transfers, not to mention online transfer platforms. Say you're paying with a credit or debit card. Provide your card information, confirm, and proceed to pay. After that, enter the details page and keep track of your order status and shipment. To place the same order again, go to Your Orders. Enter the details page, simply tap Reorder after your order is completed. Remember to submit your information for tax exemption to avoid sales tax or VAT charges. Order, pay, just a few taps away.